I have to confess that this year the exhibition is pretty low comparing to regular years. I don't know, but there are probably several reasons. Unfortunately, we had a gigantic earthquake just a month ago in Istanbul, and that affected our visitors, and also the month of Ramadan has just arrived. How do you feel about Ramadan?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling
How
good.
is the exhibition, my friend?
Exhibition today it's better than yesterday, but you see
Where is the
it's
customers?
a little bit slowly.
I don't see enough
Little
customers.
bit slowly, yeah. But today better than yesterday.
Which language do you serve to our customers?
Arabic, English.
Arabic, English. Which language do you serve our customers?
Mandarin Chinese.
Mandarin Chinese. So we have plenty of languages spoken in our company. Arabic, Mandarin, Chinese,
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese,
Yeah, Taiwanese.
Spanish, more Arabic, Ukrainian, Russian,
Ukrainian, Russian.
again more Arabic,
Polish.
Indonesian. How many Arabic people working here? Five something.
Maybe 6 or 5.
Six something. 6, 5. We have a new product presented first time in the exhibition. Here you can see our engraving tool, and of course what a new tool can be presented from Mr. Turgay.
Hello.
Where is your glasses? Put on your glasses. Turgay is a professional of hand diamond cut, and his nickname is Magic Hands. Why? Because he has magic hands.
Magic hands because.
What time is it? Excuse
This is
me.
my-
What time is it?
What time? Sorry, I just checked the time. Is very important. Time is almost 5:30.
Cool. Can you introduce us what is engraving tool, please?
Yeah, okay.
It's the first time.
Yeah, this we make is engraving like this. For example, mushroom. You
Magic
see?
mushroom.
Magic mushroom.
Not
is-
magic.
If you're eating something, you're dreaming.
Very happy. Our engraving tool is our newest tool. That's the first exhibition we are having our engraving tool, and from the next exhibitions you will be able to see these beautiful engraving products. Here we are with the Bluebird together. Bluebird. What new CNC developments you have in the booth today, this year?
This fair, we have new vacuum table.
Vacuum table.
Yes, for
You
the
will
flat
vacuum
piece-
everything.
Yes, for the flat pieces. Flat pieces.
Can you show? That's one of our newer development for Bangle Master and Ring Maker CNC machines.
Yes.
These are vacuum table to work on flat pieces.
We vacuum these parts, after them diamond cut, and this result.
Result very nice.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel about exhibition?
Not bad, everything good. We have also waiting customer.
I don't see enough customers.
I don't know why.
I don't know how come. you
Because
know
I
that.
am just Bluebird.
I am Bluebird.
I
You are-
don't know everything.
This is Magic Hands. This is Bluebird.
Just I know.
He was little bird. He lost weight.
Yes.
Now is Bluebird.
I am Bluebird because my
Blue
eyes
eye.
is blue.
Twitter. Here is an machine in the exhibition. That's a fireball ball decoration, beads decoration machine. We have several patents on this machine. That's why we preferred not to show this machine. We only show after sale, after signing the contracts. But can you give us a little bit of information about fireball,
Okay.
Bluebird, fireball?
With this machine, you can make the diamond cut of the bolts and beads. Very shiny samples.
Everything shiny.
Yes.
Welcome to Bulunmaz.
Welcome to
Shiny Galaxy. We need a new slogan.
Shiny bulunmaz.
Shining Star.
Shining star.
Shining Galaxy.
Shining bird.
Center of Shine. Shining Ministry of Shining.
Ministry of Shining.
Ministry of
That's
Shining.
Good. That's good.
Okay, then we are arrested finally.
Thank you.
Normal.
was waiting till the sky was falling and my breath to every
This is my friend Victor from Pyramid Company. What's Pyramid? They are distributor of almost all Italian, German, American companies in Turkey for many years. I know myself, I know Pyramid. 40 years old, I was 10 years old. I see the Pyramid board.
24 years old, I know Pyramid
Yeah.
also.
How is the exhibition?
Not bad, but 2 days was bad.
Yeah.
Today is better. We are expecting tomorrow better than today.
But tomorrow last day.
Last day, but it's Sunday, so every man can
Yeah, you
come.
know, because of the earthquake we just had last year in Turkey, and then we had the Ramadan time is coming where
Next
our
week.
Arabic customers have to finish their job, so they cannot leave the country. We have the general recession coming from the USA, probably that's a little bit affected
Turkey.
us. Finally, we have a pretty low traffic in this exhibition, but I can say still we have chance to show our machine?
I think there is enough universal customers.
Yeah, I mean,
So
From
we
there or
have
there.
new products as well in our booth. You have your
yeah, we have
new machines.
4 product this exhibition, 4 new products.
So hopefully it will be good after Ramazan.
We are waiting for you in Turkey or come to our website. Piramit, Piramtech,
Waiting for you.
Piramtech.com, Piramtech.com.
And bulunmaz.com.
We also have ring maker, our traditional product. Since 10 years we are doing and developing every exhibition. We have, hello,
Little crazy.
hello, little crazy, hello, hello. He gets crazy more and more. 2 machine,
Two machine, yes.
one for flat, one for ring. Okay. This is our guy from the Crazy Gold company. Just we will see now. We are showing our faceting machine that's pretty popular these years, our bestseller machines. And finally, you are welcome to Crazy Gold Booth. That's our jewelry production. We are making different kinds of
Crazy gold.
crazy Mustafa. Different kind of wedding bands. We are advanced in all kind of wedding ring production. How are you? How are you? Normal English. How are you?
How are you?
Rings,
İyiyim.
order.
Güzel.
Nasıl fuar?
Fuar çok güzel.
Ben fuardan
geçiyor.
memnun değilim. Sen memnun?
Ben çok memnunum.
Ben memnun değilim.
Ben memnunum.
Sen
Ben
memnunsun.
Siparişimi aldım.
Ha,
Güzel
sen-
siparişlerimi aldım.
Okay, I'm not okay with the exhibition, but Crazy Gold is always happy, always he has customers.
Sizi çok seviyorum.
I
Crazy
love you.
Gold'u takibe devam.
Crazy Gold.